Hi guys, today I wanted to give you a short update on my 3D printed trophy truck. It's basically finished. The problem is the body is way too heavy, and as soon as you hit the gas, the pinion of the rear axle is going to fail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload all the files for this trophy truck so you can try it out for yourself. I would recommend not to print the body because there's no point, but mechanically everything works. Later I will be uploading another video on how to build this rear axle, because the rear axle is going to be reused in the second version of this trophy truck, which is not going to get a hard shell like this one, but more of just a tube frame where you can maybe put a wort glass fiber body or something on it. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel to not miss any future updates.